In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag people on Planoly, a phenomenal tool for social media planning and management that can streamline your content creation process and ensure your posts are eye-catching and engaging. Tagging is crucial for increasing the reach of your posts, engaging with your followers, and connecting with other accounts. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Planoly website. It's pretty straightforward. Fire up your favorite browser and head over to planoly.com. This is where all the magic starts. Once you're there, take a moment to admire the clean interface before you move your cursor to the Log In button. Don't rush through this. Taking it step by step ensures you're not skipping any critical part of the process. Hover over Login, and you'll be prompted with a drop-down or a new page, depending on the current interface updates. Now click on Social Planner. This is your gateway to Planoly's powerful planning features. If you're logging in for the first time, you'll be asked to fill in your information. Don't worry, Planoly values your privacy and security. Fill in the requested details and hit login once you're done. Alright, now that you're logged in, it's time to start planning your content. Navigate to the Planoly Social Content Planner. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if this is your first visit. You're about to create a new post, so look for the New Post button and click it. This is where your content comes to life. Before you proceed, take a moment to select channels. This means choosing the social media platform where you want your post to appear. Planoly supports various platforms, so make sure you pick the right one. Now select a date and time for your post. This scheduling feature is what makes Planoly a game changer for social media management. You can plan your content in advance and have it go live at the most impactful times without manually doing it yourself. Now comes the fun part, tagging people in your post. Start by typing asai at followed by the name of the account you want to tag. This step requires a bit of precision. Ensure you're tagging the correct account to avoid directing your audience to the wrong place. After you've successfully tagged the accounts relevant to your post, it's time to add your content. You can either drag and drop your file into the designated area or click to add files from your computer. This flexibility means you can easily upload the content you've prepared, whether it's on your desktop or in a folder. Finally, once everything is in place, your content is ready, the accounts are tagged, and you've selected the date and time, it's time to schedule your post. Find and click on Schedule. This last step confirms that your post is all set to go live at the specified time and date. By clicking Schedule, you're not just setting your post on its journey into the digital world, you're also freeing up valuable time for yourself to focus on other tasks, all while maintaining an active, engaging online presence. And there you have it. You've just learned how to tag people in your posts on Planoly alongside scheduling your content. Remember, tagging is a powerful tool. It not only notifies the tagged accounts, but also increases the visibility of your posts to a wider audience. Plus, scheduling your content helps maintain consistency, which is key to growing your online presence. Before we wrap up, a couple of tips to make your Planoly experience even smoother. First, take advantage of Planoly's content planner to visualize your feed before posts go live. It helps ensure your overall aesthetic is aligned with your brand. Second, keep your login details secure but handy to save time on your next visit. Tagging and scheduling your social media posts are just the tips of the iceberg when it comes to utilizing Planoly to its fullest potential. Explore, experiment, and don't hesitate to dive into other features to streamline your social media management even further. Thank you for following along. Remember, practice makes perfect, so jump into Planoly and start tagging and scheduling your content like a pro. Until next time, keep creating, sharing, and engaging. Happy posting.